Good morning. Today is November 16th. Right now it's about 45 degrees outside. We've had a pretty bad week of 3 days with nothing but rain, and we've also had plenty of cold, which I'm not exactly happy about, but so far my bees are looking okay, at least in this hive and the end hive. Right now I don't see any activity in this one, but I'm going to open that up, and I do have activity in both of those hives over there. Yesterday what I did was I took off these screens from the entrances so I could give them more room to take out any dead bees, in which they've been doing. So let's first dive into this hive and see what it's looking like. Well, this does have sugar in it. It was sugar syrup, but it looks like it's
frozen.
frozen over to just plain sugar. And we will take care of that. No problem. Let's go on into the hive, and hopefully everything is alive in here. I don't have my smoker lit, so I do see one bee crawling in there, but I'm hoping that I do see more than one bee in there. Let me have the camera a minute.
Okay.
Gee, you got to give it to the autofocus, right? Let's see what we can do about. And it looks like we have more bees in there. But what I want to do is I want to check the bottom box, so hold that. This thing looks extremely full of honey, so I know it's going to be heavy. Okay. I just want to take a look and see how they're doing down there. Oh my, and they look good. We can see where they're clustering at, so I think what we're going to do is just right now leave them alone. Make sure that we have this on all the way. And we're good. So and as you can see, there are a few bees that did come up. But right now what I want to do is I want to pause this. I need to go get a feeder. I want to change out feeders, so pause the video.